Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Python Saki. And as I promised you in my last video that I'm going to help you out to how to crack your AI paper of class 10 which is scheduled on 27th of February. So it's just a week now. So I thought, okay, let's put a series of videos which are going to help you out in solving very precisely the question, the MCQs, the 2 marker questions, the 4 marker questions which normally comes in the board examination. So without wasting our time, in this video I'm going to tell you about how the paper will be divided. Okay, so you should be first knowing that what all the units are going to come. Obviously you might be aware of, but then too I'm going to give you a quick glance of it so that we can move ahead with the important topics which normally comes in your exam paper, right? So without wasting the time, let's go to the CBSE home website. Site name is cbse.gov.in because whenever you want to go to any of the curriculum, this is the official website of CBSE. So let's move to the academic websites. In the academic website, you can see a tab over here that is the skill education. So you click on the skill education. In the skill education, you click on the sample question paper, and in the sample question paper you have to click on class 10, and over here all the vocational subjects practice paper with marking scheme is given, and we are going to focus on each and every question. Okay, and how to solve those questions. I'm not only going to tell you how to solve the questions, but I'm going to tell you the concept of that part also, which are important, right? So when you click on this you can see over here, I've already opened this. So you can see when you click on this is the sample paper which CBSE has shared on the website. Okay, now whatever the CBSE shares on the website, like this is the sample paper, more or less the question paper will be in the similar pattern. Right, now if you look over here, your AI paper will be divided into 2 parts. One is employability skills and one is the subject specific. You know your theory paper is of 50 mark, right? So 50 mark is divided into 10 and 40. So 10 mark for the employability, which you can see over here, right? This is the 10 mark of employability skills where you can see 5 units which are there. And if you want to look at the book of it, obviously you might be knowing about the book and all, but then too over here I can show you. You can go to the books. Okay, you can go to class 9 and 10, and here is the employability. You can click on class 10, and this is the employability book of class 10. Okay, now all the 5 units which you can see over here, all these 5 units are present in this employability skill book. Okay, so now look children, subject where you have to put a lot of efforts to it. Then like IT is there, then your AI is there. Now these type of subjects, if these type of vocational subjects are there, in that case your employability skill questions are a little bit easy. Okay, so don't worry about how many pages are there, and this is a very simple concept. You can just go through it. If you read it, even you will be able to answer all the questions. I'm telling you, the MCQs or even and the 2 marker questions even, and CBSE gives a ample of choices to you to complete this question paper. So if you follow my channel, okay, if you go through all the entire series, whatever I'm going to keep for this AI, and we're going to solve the sample papers, I'm going to put the sample papers. If you want the important notes, if you want the important questions, I can give you the question bank also. I can provide you ample number of questions and your sample papers. If you want to, you just have to put in the comment section and you will definitely get it. Okay, so these are the 5 units which you can see over here for MCQs. The question number 1 will be of employability skill, where they will give you 6 MCQs, out of which you have to do any 4. So very easy. Out of 6 you have to do any 4 only. And in the section B, you will get 5 2-marker questions from which you have to do only 3. So obviously you are going to get an ample of choice. और अगर जैसा मैं बता रही हूँ, अगर आप वैसा करते हैं और आप उसी हिसाब से चलते हैं, and I'll give you some important points also. If you follow that, I'm 100% sure that you are going to score a very good marks, and no doubt 50 out of 50 also, because ये paper 50 mark का होता है, right? This is how it goes. Now if you go to the subject specific, दिस इज ऑफ 40 मार्क्स. तो पहला ही क्वेश्चन एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी का होगा ऑफ एमसीक्यू. बाकी जो 4 क्वेश्चन होंगे आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन में, वो पूरे के पूरे सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक होंगे. अब सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक में ये 5 यूनिट ये लोग कवर करते हैं, ठीक है। इन्होंने ब्रेकअप भी दे रखा है कि कैसे कैसे हम कितने क्वेश्चंस पुट अप किए जाते हैं। लाइक फॉर योर यूनिट 1 5 क्वेश्चंस विल बी ऑफ 1 मार्क, 2 मार्कर 1 क्वेश्चन आएगा, कर में लॉन्ग जो क्वेश्चन है वो 1 ही आएगा। तो यू कैन सी द ब्रेकअप दे हैव गिवन ओवर हियर, द ब्रेकअप आल्सो। जैसे कंप्यूटर विजन में ये 4 मार्कर में एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं देने वाले हैं, तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाना ही नहीं है, हमें 2 मार्कर और एमसीक्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है। अब हमें डिस्क्रिप्टिव जो 4 मार्कर है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा बढ़िया क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो आप बहुत अच्छे से कैच कर लोगे, एंड आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू क्रैक दोज क्वेश्चंस आल्सो। ओके, तो दिस इवन आई विल टेल यू। पहले हम 4 मार्कर से स्टार्ट करेंगे। 4 मार्कर में जो जो हमारी कंसेप्ट आते जाएंगे हम उनको कवर अप करेंगे, जिससे हम अपने 4 मार्कर को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लेंगे। 4 मार्कर में आपका एक इवैल्यूएटिव मॉडल का कंफ्यूजन मैट्रिक्स का एक क्वेश्चन आता है, दैट आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू गो फॉर इट। एक नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग में बैंक ऑफ वर्ड्स का या डॉक्यूमेंट वेक्टर टेबल का क्वेश्चन आता है, दैट आई विल ऑब्वियसली टीच यू इन अ वेरी वेरी सिंपल मैनर। So I will teach you the concepts also. I will give you the tricks for cracking those questions also. और वो पढ़ते पढ़ते आपका MCQ ऑटोमेटिकली रेडी हो जाएगा, 2 मार्कर ऑटोमेटिकली रेडी हो जाएंगे। तो हम अपने वीडियो में सबसे पहले फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट वीडियो ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन द 4 मार्कर क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है। हम पीछे से आगे जाएंगे, तो पीछे से जैसे जैसे हम आगे जाते जाएंगे हमारे 1 मार्कर MCQs ऑटोमेटिकली आपको आ जाएंगे करने के लिए। ओके, so this is it. Let's go down. In general instructions, you can see they have given you 21 questions divided into section A and section B. Okay, section A is totally objective type. 5 questions होंगे, 24 mark. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 होगा वो एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी का होगा, उसमें 6 क्वेश्चन होंगे, 6 में से आपको सिर्फ 4 करने हैं, यानी 4 ये आए, ठीक है। और बाकी 4 क्वेश्चंस जो एमसीक्यू के बचे उसमें से 5-5 करने, तो 20 + 4 comes to 24. Then if you come to the subjective section B subjective, then again it is of 26 marks, 16 questions है। कैंडिडेट आपको 16 ओवरऑल चॉइसेस मिलेंगे, उसमें से आपको सिर्फ 10 क्वेश्चन करने हैं। ऑब्वियसली इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू सेक्शंस लाइक 2 मार्कर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी, 2 मार्कर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक एंड 4 मार्कर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक, ठीक है। एंड मार्क्स अलॉटेड आर देयर। So this is how we are going to solve this. Okay, so in this video I'm going to keep it till here only. In the next video we are going to start from the 4 marker questions. Okay, maybe we will move in the backward, like NLP का क्वेश्चन करेंगे, वैल्यूएशन का क्वेश्चन करेंगे, या बायोएथिक्स का क्वेश्चन करेंगे। बायोएथिक्स पे क्वेश्चन आता है वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी कैसे सॉल्व करना है। एंड बिलीव मी दिस विल बी अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग journey for you and very interesting learning for you. Okay, so just wait for my next video and we'll meet very soon. Maybe tomorrow itself we'll meet again with a new video of how to crack the AI paper. Till then, bye, take care, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.